Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This video is probably not necessary because I said it would work and it did work, but I kind of wanted to test it myself. If you haven't watched the other ones, we've done some block shadowing on these texts, and then after we did this side, because the block shadow got too close to the mountain. So as long as the mountain is together, this is going to work, and it's not. So we're going to nudge it over and do like we did before. Get all the parts to group it together so it'll work. Control G and group that together. Now we're going to take our item and we're going to left click, right click, and you can see it's still a pretty cool effect. But we need to contour this a little bit bigger so it's further away from the mountain and gets this mountain even. So let's go to Effects and Contour, and we're going to contour the outside, and watch, it's not going to work. Well, it did, but it doesn't work like you think it would work because it's contouring more to the outside, and that's why I decided to do the video. So what we're going to do is try to grab this is the block shadow. So we're going to work with the block shadow only. And I'm nudging it quite far so I can just nudge it right back. So we're gonna grab all this and we're gonna contour just the block shadow. And you see it did it, and it did it in colors, which is okay because we can left click no color. But then we need to go, well, you know what? Don't even do that. Let's back up here. Let's go and break the contour apart and see if we can't grab that outside. And it worked. Now we don't need it to be really gray, but we'll make it black so you can see it better. And now we can take the whole thing, and back minus front is going to take that away. Now we can take our normal letters and our block shadow, and we'll make our normal letters black. We'll bring in the block shadow, which is gray. And so now you can see that the mountains are even. We have our gray block shadow with a line around it. I wonder if this line is what this line is. It is a hairline. It's just so small that it looks a little bit thicker than it should. But that way, so you can contour around the block shadow, you have to just do it separately. And then when you nudge this back to your logo, that should be good to go. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.